The vegetation over there.
Okay, yeah, I can see that here you are planting some plants or some, I don't know how to call it. What's the name? What are you planting?
It's called ugu.
Ugu.
Yes.
What is it used for?
For food. Just like otomi.
So you can eat it.
Yes.
Cook.
You can even chew it if you want.
Really?
Yes.
What?
You can bite it.
What nutrients?
So many.
Okay.
So many.
Okay.
The information is out there. If you go on the net, you will find it.
Okay.
So many.
UGU. Okay. So
see how the stem is.
because it's irrigated.
As compared to the one that we are being irrigated it with ordinary water. This one we irrigate it with the disposed water from the
Fish farm.
And the crops are looking so
Healthy.
70% higher than the one that we're using.
And the leaves are quite bigger.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And you are harvesting. If you are to harvest this one with ordinary water, the percentage wise, this one will be even 70% higher than.
So this one will be more. This one is giving more yield.
More yield because of the fish
Water.
the disposed water.
Okay.
And now you can see everywhere is wet, and then the leaves, as compared to
The one that
the
is
one
in the field.
Wow. So we are yet to know more about it.
Okay.
We planted tomatoes here and it was fantastic.
Wow.
And then we found out, oh, let's do this one also. So if you have cocoa farm, if you have any other crops, and the fish is on top and you can discharge your water through it.
Okay, so that means the fish need to be of a higher ground.
Exactly.
Then when you discharge the water, it can flow.
So that you don't need power
Okay,
to pump it.
to pump it.
And
Okay.
so the gravity supply will reduce your cost. And
Okay.
then you can link your pipes.
Okay. To irrigate it.
I'm even suggesting, and I'll try to do a small nursery with cocoa.
Okay.
Down here.
Okay.
Next year, and irrigate it with the fish water and see what will happen.
Wow.
It will be fantastic.
It will be
because this has given me the test.
Okay.
Because I know this and I know the one with the fresh water from the river.
Okay.
There is quite 70% difference.
So this is more nutritious.
More nutritious. It doesn't even happen. Look at the stems.
Wow.
And then young ones are even coming where the time is not even due. You see the fruit.
Okay.
It's
Well, it has a special fruit.
It has a special fruit. This is the young fruit coming.
Okay.
It will grow big like pumpkin. And then you have the seed inside.
I think I saw one on the road.
Yes, big ones.
And
Big
that's
ones.
the fruit.
That's the fruit.
Is it edible?
It's edible. It's the queen of all groundnuts.
Queen of all groundnuts.
Queen of all groundnuts. When you take one pod, open it, sometimes you have about 60 to 100 seeds inside them. And then you can fry it like a groundnut. You can cook it, and then you use it as you are preparing groundnut soup, and it's fantastic.
And the leaves too are edible.
The leaves are edible. If you go and Google and search Google the benefits, it's also anti-aging.
Anti-aging.
If I tell you that I'm 62 years,
so that's why that's what is making you not to grow.
Yes.
Okay.
And you'll be strong always.
Wow.
You'll be strong always.
Wow.
It's
Wow.
also anti-aging. And even when you are making
so how do you, if somebody want to plant some, you just have to cut some and go and plant all?
No, you need the seed.
The seed.
We bought the seed from Nigeria.
You bought the seed from Nigeria. Wow.
And thanks to God, the seed are now coming. So we are now more buying from Nigeria.
Oh, okay. So you have the seeds.
Yes, we have the
Wow.
It is very good. It's anti-aging, and it's also blood tonic.
Blood tonic.
If you pick like this spray, another spray which is 6. You blend it, you put it in the malt, and you just sip.
Wow.
It's very good.
Wow.
Tonic.
Wow.
Oh, if you Google, you see more things about it.
You see ugu.
U-G-U.
Okay. So as you can see, this ugu leaf is harvested just this evening. They planted it. It is being irrigated by the fish, the water that they discharge from the fish pond to fill this place. This this land size is like a quarter plot, and is able to produce ugu leaves. They just did this harvest, and with these few that you can see, and the one there right now is about close to 1,003. So this is money just from these leaves. So if you are looking for opportunities in the agri sector, these are some of the businesses you can venture into. The leaves is being eaten. It can be eaten just like kotombre. You can slice it like a salad and take it, and it also produces a fruit just that looks like pumpkin, and it contains something like a granite. You can fry it and consume it. Ugu leaves, just this can make you rich. They have finished harvesting the leaves, the ugu leaves, and they have packets ready to transport it to the station to send it to Accra Straits, and this will be sold to the Nigerians in Ghana, and it's a very, very, very lucrative business. What you need to start is just a small piece of land, some water to supply, and you are good to go.
External family.